If you are currently writing blog posts right now, this will probably change your life. In fact, in the time you've already been watching this video, I could have pumped out 5 blog posts by now. Now, something that may have taken you 2 hours to do, I could have done in literally maybe 20 seconds. So the question is how are you going to be able to compete with me if it takes you 2 hours to pump out one blog post, if I can do it in 5 seconds, and the quality is pretty much on par with what you're writing? Hey guys, it's Jono, and in this video, we're gonna talk just about that. And the answer is using artificial intelligence, specifically using a platform called GPT-3, which is the most powerful AI system in the world currently today. So let's dive into it. In front of me, I have GPT-3's Playground. Now, you can quite simply sign up for GPT-3. It's totally free to get started. They do charge you a bit of money to use it if you use it a ton, but it's not that expensive. And if you value your time at more than probably 2 cents per hour, then it is definitely worth continuing to use it. So when you're writing a blog post in GPT-3, you want to enter in something called a prompt. Essentially what GPT-3 is doing is it's using natural language processing. That's just a really fancy way of saying that you're coding using language. So I could say, write me a blog post about kitchens, and GPT-3 will literally write me a blog post, and all I had to do was put into the top a prompt that said, write me a blog post about kitchens. But you can get such better results if you structure this prompt well. What you want to do is you probably want to tell GPT-3 how many words are going to be in your blog post. You also want to make sure that GPT-3 knows exactly what the topic that you want to write about is. So let's say you're doing kitchens, you want to definitely make sure you write in kitchens. The next thing that I always like doing is I like saying that the article that GPT-3 is writing for me is coming from somebody in the field who is credible. And typically, I just make up a name. I have no idea what I'm writing. I usually write Dave Atkinson, and that gives me good results. So here is what the total prompt will look like. Write me a 500-word blog post about kitchen countertops. This is written by David Atkinson, who is a leader in kitchen design. You put a line break in between, you click submit, and GPT-3 will write everything out for you. This is how you can very quickly write blog posts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. AI was completely life-changing for me. I now actually don't really write anything anymore. Pretty much everything is written by GPT-3. If you liked this video, please go ahead and check out GPT-3. Please like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.